Hi, I'm Chelsea Stratton from Chelsea Stratton Designs, and today I'm here in my mom's quilting studio to share a new favorite things quilt with you called Juniper Berries. And I'm really excited to talk about this one and all of the fun things about it. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. Okay, so now that we have the Juniper Berries quilt laid out on the table, I will talk about it a little bit more and in depth for you. I'm very excited about Juniper Berries because it is also a boxed kit with Moda. So shop owners should have that available, and Moda will have that available for shop owners to look into. I think it is so cute and so fun, so I was really glad that it was a boxed kit, and I have some coming as well. I'm very happy about that. So Juniper Berries is made with our Favorite Things collection, and this has 2 different blocks in it. And what I love about this one is lately I've been making a lot of quilts with pre-cuts, and this uses one of my very favorite pre-cuts, a layer cake and a charm pack. So you will use the entirety of those 2 pre-cuts plus some yardages. As you can see, these patches right here, you'll need some extra yardage for that, for those blocks. And I just love that it incorporates a few different types of blocks. I love stars. These are traditionally pieced. I know that these stars look a little bit smaller. They're traditionally pieced. I'd say this is confident, beginner friendly, and just traditional piecing and patchwork for you. Nothing too crazy that is going to come up in this pattern. And I think the pattern was well done. It explains everything really well and has a lot of visuals in it for you while you're making this quilt. So Favorite Things ships in June 2023. And so those boxed kits, I do want to mention, will be shipping then as well. And Marion Bott did the quilting on this. This is actually one of my favorite all over panto designs that she does. Just the regular Baptist fans, looks kind of like clamshells. I love this one. It adds a lot of texture to the quilt. One of my favorite designs that she does. It's beautiful. And Favorite Things, we have a beautiful tone-on-tone print that matches the Bella 200, and I used the tone-on-tone as the background in this one for the quilt. And so if you don't get the tone-on-tone with this collection, or your shop doesn't have it, I'm sure other online shops have it, but a Bella 200 will match. So you can ask your shop about that if you want to purchase that as well. I also don't really like blank corners, so we added a little easy corner to the edges of these blocks, these poinsettia blocks I like to call them. And I think it turned out so cute. I love it. Let me show you. I didn't do a border on this one. I just got it back from the quilters, so I haven't bound it yet. But I absolutely love this. We did this plaid print with the Favorite Things collection, and I think it's so cute. And I have a video on my Instagram, because when you are working with plaids as a backing, you don't want the plaid to be mismatched. And so when I created this backing, I needed to match up the lines perfectly on the back half of the quilt, and so that the print looked repeatable. And I showed a little bit about how I do that, but it wasn't that hard at all. So if you're thinking of doing a plaid backing, don't be afraid of having it mismatched when you are putting the backing together. It's easy to line up when you cut your pieces. It's easy to line up the stripes and everything, and it will look like just one solid piece of fabric. I promise it wasn't too hard. You can find that saved in my Instagram stories if you're looking for that. But I really enjoyed making this quilt. I thought it was so fun and looked really cute in our Favorite Things collection, and I hope that you love it too. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this video where we took a closer look at my Juniper Berries quilt pattern. If you are looking for the Juniper Berries quilt pattern, it will be linked in the description below for you in paper and PDF. If you liked this video, hit the like button. And also if you want to see more videos from A Quilting Life, you can subscribe as well and hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much for stopping by.